Hi. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and probably this is uploaded 2 or 3 days after Valentine's Day, but some of you asked me to document it of my Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day. So I did that for you guys. The reason I did that also is to just show you how simple it is to just go out and celebrate with your friends or your husband or boyfriend or even your siblings. A relationship, it could be between anyone else, you know. What we did is basically very simple. We didn't go crazy we didn't overdo it basically. The best thing about it is just that we went out to a restaurant, we ate the food we liked, and we gave each other gifts. And they don't have to be expensive gifts. However, the most important thing about this day is obviously, what did I wear and my makeup, my hair, what did I do with my makeup, how I styled my hair, and where did I buy a jumpsuit from, because it's a jumpsuit, which the piece I wore for the Valentine's Day. So I'll tell you more about that, and also unwrap our gifts, and tell me what you think. And also I will talk about the eyelashes I'm wearing because I bought them for Valentine's Day. I'll tell you what I think about them and where I bought them from and all that fun stuff. Let's go.
In the early morning, I'm using an anti-aging collagen mask, and also I'm using the under the eye patches that help reduce any dark circles. I bought this jumpsuit from Banana Republic Factory. Banana Republic Factory is an outlet store for Banana Republic. So all the pieces that goes under a discount, a very discounted price, goes from Banana Republic to Banana Republic Factory. They have a website, and I'm going to link you the website for Banana Republic Factory. I don't remember the exact price for this piece, but I don't think I paid more than $50 for it, and it was from Banana Republic Factory. It's velvet, and their color is red brick color. For my Valentine's Day eye makeup, I chose to wear fake eyelashes. This time I bought the Eyelure or Allure pre-glued fake mink. They were on sale. I bought them for $7 from Target.
I'm not really obsessed about these eyelashes. They're fake mink. Okay, so I do like how they look. They're supposed to be, it does not work. You have to put your own glue. The tip of it, like, you know, just like comes out sometimes. You have to press it on, and it's just, I wore them. They looked nice, but would I buy them again? No, I wouldn't. Here's a disclaimer. I am not good in basically applying fake eyelashes. I really suck. I'm just being honest with you. But I thought these are going to be self-adhesive or whatever, so I thought they will be easier to do, because I tried the magnet one and it's just, nothing works with me. I just don't know, I suck. So I thought that would be an easier option, and it did not. It literally wasted a lot of time when I was putting makeup, and it sucked. It sucked big time, and I didn't really like them. I'm sure that I'm not gonna buy them. So whatever is your thing, I'll just list where I bought them from. You can buy them, you can try them, maybe they will work for you. Did not work for me. If you're not a professional fake eyelashes applier, it's not gonna work with you. I will take you for, I wouldn't say a tour, but a little mini tour to show you New York and where did we go and the restaurant we chose for our Valentine's date. I honestly was not really obsessed about it. I just did not like how they presented their food and did not really look like something I would go to again. I did not know that it was a chain. I thought it was just a restaurant that is very popular in New York. And by the way, if you see a restaurant with a lot of stars, like 5 stars, or not stars, like dollar, like, you know, dollar signs, and you would think, oh, this is fancy, oh, I'll choose it for special occasions, and you just read the review. Don't just depend on that. Ask people, you know, because honestly, it was kind of like a cheesecake concept, but a little bit fancier. Anyways, the food was not that bad, and we just had fun. It was about to going out. In New York, we just like to, you know, there's so many options. We just like to go to fancy restaurant, and sometimes, guess what? The fancy restaurant food is not that good. The cheap restaurants, or the restaurants that are affordable, they do have good food sometimes. So it depends, you know, if you're going to the ambience or the food. It's just like, you know, just pick what you want. It doesn't have to be expensive.
Like I said before, I am not impressed with this restaurant. We did not like the presentation of the food. The way they served the steak, it was like they were serving it to a dog. There was nothing, no greens, nothing on the plate. The only thing that we like was the butter cake dessert. It was decent.
This first. The other one, don't do stuff.
Doesn't open.
Yeah, open the other one. Office. That's why I wanted you to open it before you go to work. the gift. It's Valentino, and I don't know. We bought it from Saks Off Fifth. It's like discount, obviously. Wouldn't buy a bag that will cost a lot of money because I don't think that's really an important thing. But this bag really looks really good. I like it. I like the color. I don't have a red bag. I mean handbag. So this is really a good one. I'll probably be wearing it a lot. See? Okay, you want to see the inside? Okay, yeah. It does have a card here. So what else? Yep, that's it. I like it. It's really nice. It's really nice and elegant. I like the tone. It's like warm. I don't know, like hot. Like it doesn't look exactly the same here, but it is really nice. I like that. So it comes with a strap here, so you can just put it on like this, or just put a hand strap and shoulder strap and just I'm too lazy. I'm not gonna do it right in front of you guys, but you know the drill. Honestly, if you want a discounted bag, just go to Saks Off Fifth. They sometimes drop good stuff. And yeah, so that's it. In the end, I hope you really like this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit a like button, and tell me what do you think about this whole day. And if you want to share what you did in your Valentine's Day, you can share it in the comment as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.